Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink from a Word document. A hyperlink is a link from a hypertext document to another location, normally activated by clicking a highlighted word or an image. I'm going to give you some steps to insert a hyperlink into your text document or an image. So to start with, let's get some text in our Word document. So this is the Word document that we have. I'm going to create a hyperlink to this word. I want this word Twitter to link me to my Twitter page, and then I'll insert an image, and I want that image to link me to my YouTube channel. So I'll take a minute and then insert the image. So now we have our text and then we have an image in our document. In creating a hyperlink, you will first highlight the words or the word that you want to insert the hyperlink onto. So for me, I'm going to insert a hyperlink to my Twitter page. So I'll highlight the word Twitter. I'll go to insert, and then over here, I'll click on link. This is the portion I'm going to insert the link to my Twitter account. So I'll grab my Twitter account. Over here, I'll paste the URL to my Twitter page, and then I'll click OK. We can see that the word Twitter is highlighted, and anytime I click on this word, it will take me straight to my Twitter page. So let's see. All right. And that same procedure can be used to insert a hyperlink onto images also. You need to click on that image or select that image, and then you click on insert, then you click on link. I would want the image to be a link to my YouTube channel. So I'll grab my YouTube channel URL and then paste over here. There you go. I can now click on this image, and then it will take me straight to my YouTube channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly click the subscribe button. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.